Hello everyone, this is Siva Krishna. Coming to this project title, the designing of underground rainwater storage water tanks for small roofing areas. And this is the entire view which I have done in 3D using the software SketchUp 3D. Well, coming to this project review, rainwater harvesting is nothing but the collecting of the rainwater from the roof top of the building, which is paved and unpaved areas, goes to waste. I have taken this project because as the rainwater is an ultimate source for the fresh water, but fortunately or unfortunately, the scarcity of water has become a lot due to some reasons like increasing of population, industrialization, urbanization, and decreasing in surface area of lakes, tanks, rivers, and etc. Coming to this project, some of the main aspects which are involved in this project is roof catchments, gutters, downpipes, flushing system, mesh, storage tank, hand pump, recharge pit having consisting of 3 layers of gravel, pebble and sand. In this video, I would like to show you in an animated way that each and every person can know how the rainwater harvesting will works. Let us start in animation. And this is the roof. Coming to this direction, and this is the roof catchment having a slope deflection of 1:10 ratio, and this is the raindrops which is coming from the top. When the raindrops which is coming from the top, the water automatically goes towards the downwards direction because it is having a slope. And coming to this is the gutter which is fitted on the bottom of this roof. Coming to this gutter, which is used to collect the rainwater from the rooftop of the buildings. And coming to these shapes, it may vary of different shapes like semicircular, rectangular. And coming to the material which can use is aluminum or steel. At the end of this gutter, one PVC pipe is fitted to it, where this water can flow to this pipe, and this is the outlet of this pipe, which is connected to flushing system. And this is the mesh which is provided on the top of this flushing system. In this front view, why we have provided the mesh on the top of this flushing system? Because to protect the water from bird livings, dirts, and etc. We can also call this tank as a storing of water. In this front view, we also can install one tap that we can use this water for drinking, not for the drinking purpose. We can use this water for domestic purpose. On the top right of this flushing system, one pipe is fitted to it in such a case that when the water is fully filled in this flushing system, the excess flow of water can be flow through this pipe, and this is the inlet and this is the outlet of the pipe. The water will flow in this direction, and which is filled in this storage tank, which is constructed with RCC, nothing but reinforced concrete structure. And another pipe is fitted involved in this storage tank, and which is directly fitted to hand pump, where we can also use this storage water tank for, and this water we can also use for domestic purpose or gardening purpose, whatever it may be. And one more system, it's a overflow pipe. Why we have using this overflow pipe? Because when the excess flow of water which is fully filled in this storage tank, the excess water will directly goes out through this pipe, and which is filled in this recharge pit. And this is the recharge pit consisting of 3 layers gravels. First layer will be of gravels, and this is the gravel, and the second layer is pebbles, and the third layer is of sand. This is the entire view of my project which I have done in 3D rainwater harvesting. Thank you. Have a nice day.